Hello, I'm Thomas McAndrew, founder and CEO of Enchanted Rock. Our mission is to provide world-class electrical resiliency for critical infrastructure. Our resiliency-as-a-service solution delivers unmatched reliability thanks to the principles that I learned in the Nuke Navy, where I was Chief Engineer qualified on a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier.
Hi, I'm Alan Schur, Chief Commercial Officer at Enchanted Rock. In the next few minutes, I'll address 4 key topics: identification of the problem we solve, a description of our solution, the impact of our deployment, and what differentiates our solution. Military installations need continuous energy supply to operate, and they rely on electricity for critical missions and support functions. But these installations are exposed to an aging utility grid that can experience outages lasting from hours to days to weeks of disruption. This is due to severe weather, equipment failure, and physical and cyber attacks. Power outages can also affect local communities that house and provide critical services to base personnel, and backup power for these communities is either non-existent or inconsistent. The default solution for backup energy at military installations often uses emergency diesel generators for selected buildings and loads, but rarely covers all base operations, much less the surrounding communities. And diesel generators are vulnerable to malfunction and fuel supply disruptions during an extended outage, according to NREL. Failure of a backup power supply during long-duration outages can risk mission readiness across these 4 strategic focus areas. Enchanted Rock's resiliency-as-a-service provides industrial-scale, long-duration power resiliency. Our unique solution is anchored on patented natural gas reciprocating engines. These modular units enable a high degree of standardization regardless of the load, and it's the cleanest backup power available in the market at scale, resulting in rapid permitting and deployment. In our as-a-service model, Enchanted Rock designs, finances, builds, operates, and maintains the resiliency microgrid. The microgrid responds autonomously to grid power disruptions and can cover full base operations. In addition, the microgrid is periodically dispatched to support the grid and surrounding communities during times of grid stress, preventing blackouts and earning revenue to offset system costs. This feature results in the lowest net cost and the highest state of operational readiness. Enchanted Rock's technology is field proven at technology readiness level 9. And while our technology is proven, we also continue to innovate and decarbonize. For example, we have a renewable natural gas option that's available now for net zero electrical resiliency, and we have tested hydrogen blends up to 25% with no performance degradation. Let me cover 3 project examples. The first is Marine Corps Base Quantico in Virginia. Enchanted Rock partnered with the local on-base utility operator to provide 3.2 megawatts of electrical resiliency in 2022. A second project with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Engineer Research and Development Center in Vicksburg, Mississippi, we partnered with Entergy Mississippi to provide another 3.2 megawatts of resiliency, and the fees are collected by Entergy through monthly on-bill charges. And then finally, the City of Houston's Northeast Water Purification Plant, Enchanted Rock provided 30 megawatts of backup power, the largest water infrastructure microgrid in the United States, and it saves over $20 million for the City of Houston. As mentioned, we are providing electrical resiliency to the U.S. Army's Engineer Research and Development Center, providing 100% protection from all outages since installation. Other customers include several from the Fortune 500, as well as utilities serving their customers. Customer impacts of Enchanted Rock's solution include protection against long-duration outages. That in turn maintains operational continuity and mission security. It reduces equipment damage and outage recovery costs. It saves money and time due to the full turnkey solution we provide, and it can support the local community. Solutions such as diesel are the most common form of backup power. However, Enchanted Rock is set apart by optimizing for 3 simultaneous objectives: ultra-clean technology, affordability through a unique business model that generates revenues, and superior reliability supported by a fully integrated end-to-end microgrid operating platform. It is a market-tested solution that performs at the highest level. Thank you.